we'll start how we usually start. With the movement drill. Okay. Oh no, no blocking. No blocking. It's just what?
Oh, okay.
Like you.
Alright.
As soon as you hit, we'll go towards, right? Okay. Just moving down the line. Blocking. And this is get you into body positioning. So that should really turn your back on your opponent. Okay, I'm not hitting you hard, man.
Moved right in, yeah.
Up. Great switch. Switch. So, a little bit into absorption. You're going to get hit.
Right.
No way around it. You're going to get hit. If the knife is involved, you're going to get cut. That's how it is. Okay? So, if you look at how we're moving, you hit here, okay? Right? So, certain stimulus gets a certain reaction, correct?
Right.
So, if you hit, and I feel that, and then I can relax my body, okay? Just nice and easy. Nope. Ready? I'm just going to move as I'm getting hit, okay? I'm going to move where I'm going to have the least amount of damage. Okay? Right? Not in a race, nice and easy. If you want to use it, you can use more power than that. Okay? Okay, so you got that, right? So you're striking, right? Okay, so let it hit this time. Don't try to just deflect off. Let it touch. So you notice the stimulus, which causes your body to deflect. Okay? Okay. Instead of recovering and come back in, wait for my feeling. Okay? Same thing. Remember, don't think shoulders, right? If you're going for the stomach, nope. You gotta think core. You gotta move the hips. Okay? The number one problem that people have in fighting properly is they focus on moving the shoulders outside of, I don't know if I can do that. Outside of the hips and waist and core. Okay? So it's really important that we focus on keeping everything as one unit.
Right.
Okay? And we have ground flow exercises for that. And it's like a lot of what we used to do in Sistema, for instance, and still do, in fact, is roll around on the ground, but always driving with the core. Number one, it teaches you ground mobility. You go down, you learn how to get back up. Number two, it teaches you, if you're moving constantly on the ground, focusing on your core, you do the same thing when you're standing up. Number three, it helps you with grappling and ground fighting, because you're learning how to move around on the ground. And we will be getting into some of that. Not necessarily today, but we will be getting into some of that. Okay. So we have the deflection, right? Okay, then we have you feel and you move, correct? All right, now slowly get into retaliation, okay? So the idea is kind of like a whip, right? One part of my body goes this way, right? Another part goes this way, okay? So you're loading me for power here. Okay? And I'm not going to just stand there with one strike. Oh, I got you.
Yeah, right.
Just to give you an idea. Okay? So it's constant motion. Okay? How do you feel about being hit?
Feel about
Being hit. Let's say in the stomach. How do you feel about being hit in the stomach?
It wouldn't feel good.
Okay? Got to practice that. There's all kinds of stuff to do. Like for instance, plastic blades aren't so great for it. Metal blades are better. Metal blades that look more real are a lot better. This one will do because you feel what it is. It feels like this square that has an edge on it, and it doesn't. Right? So there's psychological exercises that we do where just hold, right, on the different parts of the body, the knife. Just to give you an idea that you know what it is, right? But it's the idea of being used to having a blade in your presence, having a blade put on your body,
right? And keeping that focus.
And keeping the focus, but you get used to it. It's the whole trigger, blade, and then you learn what to do with it. Like all kinds of stuff like this that program your mind to do the correct thing when you need to. All right, anyway, back to what we're doing. So, if I crumble, don't hold it against me. So, what I want you to do, all right, we have a thing called the surfacing, okay? What surface can do what to the body, okay? You have a fist. You want to use a fist on softer parts of the body realistically. You don't want to use it on the head. Jaw, yeah, but you're probably going to hit the head anyway. So more, chest, right, area, stomach area, right? Just relax, right? Okay. Right? So palm strike, okay? We can use it as a whip for a finger whipping technique, right? Or an eye jab, right? Blinked.
I know.
Or like skipping a stone. I've done that as a kid, right? Skipping a stone off the water on the head, the jaw, nose, right? Slap. You have a slap. Same concept. Slap the side of the head. Compression in the ear. That's why we cup the hand. Okay? Compresses the ear. That happens. You get that powerful rush of air in your head, which can rupture the eardrum in there. Some killer stuff, man. So those are really basic strikes. All right. So you got to look at what your weapon is, what they can do, and where they would actually have the most effect on the person. Okay. And we got a thing called segmentation. Okay. Segmentation. You have your wrist, right? You have your elbow, and then you have your shoulder. Okay. Concept is kind of taught that the wrist strikes affect the surface of the body. Elbow strikes affect the muscles of shoulder strikes affect the internal organs. It's just a way to think about it. It's not necessarily totally true, because you can get a good elbow strike on somebody, right, just using the elbow, and get good amount of damage done. Okay? So, give you an idea. Okay, so there's a thing called chalking that they use in dirty boxing. Okay? Chalking is just it's almost like you're, notice, I'm not drawing back,
Right.
but you can feel the weight
Yeah.
of the strike, right? Almost like I'm grabbing a pencil here. Okay, you all right?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so try the same thing. Try to isolate the wrist. Try not to put too much elbow. Unfortunately, you're going to have a little elbow in there. It's just something to work on. Don't think hard fist. You watch. Think hard fist, okay? Watch this one. See this? Okay. Not a hard fist. Okay? Not hard. It's a soft fist. So you don't think, you gotta rethink everything you know about fighting. Okay? You think fighting, tensing the muscles, gets a hard strike, gets power, twisting of the waist. Not necessarily. Alright? So elbow. If you feel like, instead of being way out here, to your wrist, won't reach. Okay? Get close. And just, what you're looking for is like just, it's pull a heavy